Hello my dear students and respected viewers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's online class, I am Murshid Hassan, Assistant Teacher English, Kapasgula City Corporation Girls High School. Would like to discuss an important topic of English grammar. My today's class is for the students of class 6. Yet, this class would be beneficial both from the students of class 6 to 10. Before starting my class, for your enjoyment, I would like to ask you a riddle. The riddle is that, could you tell me the name of an amazing animal who walks with the help of 4 legs in the morning and again with the help of 2 legs in the afternoon, and again that animal walks with the help of 3 legs in the evening? Could you tell? I am telling the answer of that riddle. That amazing animal is nothing but man himself. So, regarding man, there are 2 pairs of sentences which I have written. The first pair is, man is the best creation of Allah, affirmative, and the negative form is, man is not the best creation of Allah. Here you can see that the sentence has been changed from affirmative to negative. At the same time, the meaning of the sentence has been changed, so it is called conversion. But there is another pair. Man is mortal, affirmative. The negative sentence is, man is not immortal. In this pair, you can see that the sentence has been changed from affirmative to negative, but the meaning of the sentences remain unchanged. So, when the meaning of a sentence remains unchanged, it is called transformation. So, today's topic of discussion is transformation of sentence. We know that transformation of sentence is a very large chapter. So, from these big chapters, as a students of class 6 and secondary level, I have selected just one part of transformations, that is affirmative and negative. So for changing from affirmative to negative, I have written here some rules. So get us started the few rules for changing a sentence from affirmative to negative. Here, affirmative, must or have to into cannot but, only into none but. That means only পরিবর্তিত হয়ে none but হয়. In the field of person, ব্যক্তির ক্ষেত্রে only পরিবর্তিত হয়ে none but বসে. Only into nothing but. In the field of object or matter, বস্তুর ক্ষেত্রে nothing but বসে. Only into not more than or not less than. In the field of age and number, বয়স এবং সংখ্যার ক্ষেত্রে only পরিবর্তিত হয়ে not more than, not less than বসে. And alone into none but, only পরিবর্তিত হয়ে alone পরিবর্তিত হয়ে none but বসে. Everyone into there is no one but. Everybody there is nobody but. Superlative degree into positive. That means we will have to change a superlative degree into positive if we want to change the sentence into negative from affirmative. And many into a few. That means when a sentence includes many, then during changing from affirmative to negative, we will have to use a few. So I think that for your better realizations, we'll have to practice some sentences from affirmative to negative. So, write down the sentences, some sentences for practice, and we have to erase the rules from the book. The first sentence, you'll have to take your exercise book to put down the sentences. The first sentence is we must yield to our fate. We must yield to our fate. Negative. Must into cannot but. We cannot but yield to our fate. Number 2, affirmative. Only Kareem is responsible for doing it. We know according to the rules only into none but. So the negative sentence would be none but Kareem is responsible for doing it. Number 3, Shamim है affirmative. Shamim has only one football. Shamim has only one football. The negative sentence would be Shamim does not have not more than one football. You have to remove this writing. I hope that you have put down all these from the board. So we have effaced. Fourth sentence is affirmative. Jerry is only 4 years old. 4 years old. Negative. According to the rule, only into not more than. If it is age, years যেহেতু age কে mean করছে এখানে only into তোমার not more than, not less than. So the negative sentence is Jerry is not more than 4 years old. Number 5, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone alone can help us, can help us। একমাত্র আল্লাহ আমাদেরকে হেল্প করতে পারে। নেগেটিভ, none but Allah, none but Allah can help us। We have to remove these for your convenience from the board. And number 6, affirmative, everyone likes a flower। According to the rule, everyone into there is no one, so the negative sentence would be there is no one, there is no one but likes flower, Number 7, affirmative, everybody hates a liar, সবাই মিথ্যাবাদীকে ঘৃণা করে। The negative sentence would be everybody into there is nobody but, so the sentence would be there is nobody but hates a liar, Number 8, affirmative, he is the best boy in the class, The negative sentence would be he is not the worst boy in the class, or no other boy in the class is as good as he. Here you can easily see that every sentence has been changed according to the rule. Again, number 9, for your better realizations, put down the sentence 9. I have affirmative, I have many friends, Negative, I do not have a few friends, I do not have a few friends. Here many into a few, that means if any affirmative sentence includes many, then many changes into a few. Here we have put a few. Finally, in number 10, you can see that the question is important. The negative sentence would be, the question isn't unimportant. You can see that this sentence is uncommon to others, because in this sentence the rule has not been used. When any sentence would be out of rule, at that moment you will have to think that here the opposite form of adjective would be replaced. You can see here that important is a trisyllabic adjective. So here the opposite form of important, unimportant, unimportant has been replaced here, and not has been used. It is the another way of changing from affirmative to negative. Okay, after today's discussion we have learned many things and many ways of changing affirmative to negative. I am hopeful that you could be habituated to change any sentences from affirmative to negative, and it will help you to express your feelings of mind in different situations. It will help you how to write the correct sentences in English grammar, and it will also help you how to change a sentence from assertion to negation. So try to be cautious to the teachers all the classes. Finally, I expect your better health and better sanitations, and finally I expect that always Allah's mercy best to upon you. Stay safe, stay strong. Allah Hafiz. So many thanks to you all for staying with me all the days. Goodbye, students.